illegal in Colorado, and deputies say this is the reason why.
Let's toss it over to First Alert Chief Meteorologist Dave Aguilera. Dave, it was so cold this morning. So many people probably doing that, being illegal but starting their car in their driveway.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. Even though it's cold, I know it takes a little longer to get it warmed up, but not a good thing to do. Out there tonight, we are mostly cloudy here, and believe it or not, we had -7 this morning, which was a record. But overnight tonight, we will be a little bit warmer by about 10 degrees around here. So the Arctic air is slowly starting to pull away from Colorado. However, we've got another storm system which is out there in Idaho and Northern California that's getting ready to blast into Colorado with snow tonight in the mountains. And for us, bam, right there, we get a little upslope coming our way tomorrow night into Friday. So Friday morning's commute could be a rush in the slush or a rush on the ice, the way things are looking now. Let's walk you through the timing on this now. So this is a Friday at 5 o'clock in the morning here where we're going to see the snow come in. Now I'm going to back this up just a little bit, kind of give you a timeline here. Don, tomorrow will be partly cloudy to mostly clear right along the I-70 corridor with a little bit of light snow in the mountains. Here comes the moisture now as we go through the day. By about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we'll start to see a little snow in the Denver metro area. And then tomorrow night into Friday, it really ramps up. We get a low that develops right over southeastern Colorado, and it could be an upslope across the Palmer Divide right into the Denver metro area with this moisture coming in. Now, in addition to this, we are going to have a cold night tonight. Not as cold as what we've been through, but it is going to be chilly. So let's walk you through that here. We are looking at current temperatures in the teens already. So you take a look at the map here. Northern part of the metro area, Thornton, up towards Frederick, Commerce City, Erie, all in the teens at the moment. You go down into Casa Pines, Highlands Ranch, Greenwood Village, Centennial, right around 19 for the current temperatures. And even in some of the neighborhoods here, take a look. In Louisville, it's 16. The Heron Lake Meadows area, it's 15 there, all the way up to Hillcrest Heights. We've got temperatures around 15 to 16 degrees. So it's already cold out there. And eastern Colorado has already dropped into the below zero category, like Burlington at 1 below. Then you factor in the wind chills. Their wind chill out there, 17 below zero, and it feels like 2 at DIA. So it's going to be another night of dangerously cold wind chill. So we hold on to that extreme cold weather warning out in extreme eastern Colorado, 20 to 30 below zero on the wind chills through tomorrow morning. So we're watching that area. Tomorrow's highs, teens way out east, Burlington up towards Yuma and Julesburg here. Right along our I-25 corridor, though, we're warming up. We'll be in the 20s and 30s from Denver all the way down to Colorado Springs. 30s and 40s in the mountains as well, and 50s out west. So tonight, 3 at DIA, so it's a little about 10 degrees warmer than what we had this morning with that -7. That's not bad. Tomorrow, upper 20s, not above freezing yet, partly sunny with that afternoon snow starting to develop. 40 on Friday, but that's not until the afternoon. In the morning, there's the potential of up to 4 to 8 inches of snow in Denver, 6 to 12 in some of the foothills. This is an early model. We're still 24 hours out, so I suspect a lot of these numbers can change. Some of the models have heavier amounts of snow, some have lighter. That's kind of an average that we're looking at. Any way you slice it, you're going to have several inches of snow coming at you on Friday morning. And then over the weekend, 50 on Saturday, 60 on Sunday, and we keep the 60s rolling into the start of next week. Let the thaw begin. We just have 1 or 2 more days to go through before that happens.
We can do this, Dave. I know
we can make it.
Thank you.
Romy's here now. Look, the Four Nations tournament has been great, and the All-Star game for the NBA was whatever. I'm ready for